Hi friends, I'm Katrina Kennedy, and today I want to talk about cameras and getting the most out of being on camera in your virtual training, whether it's Zoom, Teams, or something else. There are three things that we're going to consider: your position, your eye contact, and your lighting. Those are going to help give you a better experience, look better on camera, and your participants will appreciate it. The first thing is position. You want to try to get both of your shoulders in the camera frame as well as your head. Really fill up that real estate as much as you can. Oftentimes people will be way too far back and they become small in the frame. We want to really try to fill that frame as much as possible. Then the other thing to think about is eye contact. Now, it's natural to look at chat, to look at people, to look at your other screen, maybe your notes. But as much as possible, come back to the camera and make direct eye contact. It's going to feel more comfortable and natural for people watching because it feels like you're looking at them, even though you might be looking in the camera. So we've got position, we've got eye contact, then we've got to talk about lighting. And lighting's going to be really important. As much as possible, you want light in front of you coming onto your face. You want that light to be diffused if possible. I happen to have two windows, with one with a sheer curtain, and so I get that better natural light. Now, if you don't have natural light available, you might need a lamp or a ring light, something that's going to give you light. Now, you might notice the light on my glasses. It's a little annoying. I don't worry about it too much. If I held my head this way, then you don't see it. But we could work with that, but it's something that I'm not going to worry overly about. The thing you do want to worry about, though, is light behind you. If you are positioning yourself in front of a window or a sliding glass door, some bright light behind you, you're going to get a darker image. People aren't going to be able to see you. So really try to avoid that backlit look as much as possible. So we've got three things: your position, your eye contact, and your light. I hope those three things can help you to have a better experience in virtual training. I hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you again. Thanks.